Deep in the heart of Melbourne's vibrant South Fitzroy lies a tale of history and renewal. This terrace house, once a silent witness to the passage of time, has been reborn. Built in the 19th century, this terrace house was a classic example of Victorian architecture. But time had taken its toll. A young family with a deep appreciation for the past saw potential where others saw limitations. Their vision? To breathe new life into the building while honoring its heritage. Inspiration struck from an unexpected source, the Mews buildings of yesteryear. These compact structures, often used as stables or carriage houses, offered a unique solution. The architects envisioned the house reimagined as a collection of individual yet interconnected spaces, bathed in light and nature. The transformation was no easy feat. Light and air needed to penetrate the deep, narrow site. Privacy from neighboring buildings was paramount. Every detail, from minimizing stairs to maximizing upper floor space, was meticulously considered. The ingenious solution? A series of interconnected pavilions separated by courtyards, echoing the spirit of the Mews concept. The original brick facade, a testament to the building's history, was meticulously preserved. Salvaged bricks from the demolished rear wing were used to construct the new pavilions, ensuring a seamless connection between past and present. A highlight of the design is the elevated glass bridge, flooding the central courtyard with natural light while creating a unique vantage point for the family. Today, the Fitzroy Bridge House stands as a testament to thoughtful design. It seamlessly blends the charm of the past with the functionality of the present, creating a haven for a young family. Light, privacy, and a connection to history, all woven together to create a space that truly inspires. The Fitzroy Bridge House is more than just a home, it's a conversation between eras. It's a reminder that with vision and creativity, we can breathe new life into the past, ensuring its legacy lives on for generations to come.